And today we are making Kool Aid Pickles. So first we'll need 1 jar of dill pickles. Yeah, and then we'll need 1/3 cup of sugar.
And then last we need Kool Aid flavor.
We need Kool Aid flavor.
Kool Aid flavor.
Any kind you want. And so the first thing you need to do is drain the pickles. Yes, you need to drain the pickles, reserving the juice. So that's what we'll do. Okay.
I like the pickles.
Hopefully this will taste good.
Yeah.
So we're gonna drain the pickles.
Whoa, it's glassy.
All right. And
It
so
smells good.
So the juice is reserved. So now, the next thing we need to do is pour in the sugar. Yes, so Will, do you want to pour in the sugar?
Yeah.
Hold it with 2 hands from the bottom, like that. And now pour it in lightly. Oh yeah, we gotta mix it.
Whoa,
All right, pour it in, Will.
All
of it in. Wow, this is a lot. So, the next thing we need to do is add... Stop. It stinks. I know. Sugar mixed with... Okay. So the next thing we need to do is add a half of that, So the next thing we need to do is add half of that thing, half of this, half of the Kool Aid flavor into this bowl. And you can pick any flavor you'd like. And we are sharing.
Well, it's shining red. It's like it's.
Oh, it's cool.
It's like it's low. It's turning orange flavor.
Is that half? Yes. All right, Will, do you want to mix it lightly, gently?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have it in a measuring cup, and we're gonna pour the rest in here. All right, that's good, Oh. Now, put the top on and close it. And so what we're supposed to do is put it in the fridge for a week. But now we have and after a week, it will look like this. We have a pre-made one. And so we are each gonna try it and see how Kool Aid Pickles taste.
Yeah, it's so cool.
All right, do it. Okay. Well, wow. Those look so cool.
Well, it's so cool.
Okay, so, yeah. I love dill pickles.
Dripping!
I don't know if I like this
one. It's dripping! 3, 2...
Wait. Okay, yeah, we're going to try it all at the same time. 3, 2, 1. It's not that bad, actually. It's good.
Yeah.
A little bit. But I just don't like the sugar in the, I don't think Kool Aid and sugar goes with pickles. Like, who would do that?
It's like,
say in the comments below if you like Kool Aid Pickles and what kind.
yes, and if you did this experiment at your house. I don't see how y'all are still eating them.
What do you think about
so
it, Will?
nasty.
Will, what do you think?
Good.
It's good?
Like, so, you think the regular pickles, like, and they look so cool, so you want to eat it, but they taste so nasty.
It's a little good. It's just the sugar and the sourness. I don't think they go together. Sweet and sour. All right. I'm finished.
Not me.
Well, and if you try this at home, comment down below if you like them or not. This is a thumbs down for me. I do not like it at all.
It's a thumbs in the middle for me.
What is it for you, Will? A thumbs up, thumbs down, or thumbs in the middle?
Thumbs down? Thumbs in the middle?
Yeah.
Ooh, good.
Well, so like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Bye!
Thanks for
Thanks for
watching.
Bye!